guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Motivational Thoughts by Aditi. Wish you a very happy new year 2021. If you're new to my channel or if you're still not subscribed, please ensure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you're the first one to get the motivational booster of the day. With that thought, let's start 2021 with a bang. This is the year which we were waiting for from a long time, right? Lot of health, lot of power, guys. I'm not here to talk about any New Year resolution. Trust me on that. But I want to bring your focus onto 5 key areas which is definitely going to transform your life into the better version of yourself. What my plan is that in today's video, we are going to touch base all these 5 points at a very high level. But in the forthcoming videos, we are going to go through these points individually to understand them better and dwell over it. But for now, let's go through what are these 5 points all about. And please try to follow them in 2021 with lot of hope and positivity. And then see what magic it can bring in this new year. First one. We human beings always have a complaint, a weakness of overthinking. Can you transform it in a way that this weakness actually becomes your strength? Sounds interesting, right? Okay, here it goes. I'm not telling you to stop overthinking. I know it's very difficult to do that. You try more and you will again end up overthinking. I'm telling you to think, overthink, but think positive. Very important. And how does it happen? It happens only through the habit, the practice of staying positive, thinking positive. Read good books which will bring positive thought, positive energy in yourself. Be in company of positive people. See positive things. So it is nothing but practicing or having a habit of thinking positive. Nothing happens overnight. In school and colleges, whenever you try to learn something new, or even in a workplace, right? You pick up a subject which is completely new. You become a master in it when you keep on doing that again and again and again. Then one day you become a subject matter expert. Similarly, to be a positive person and to think positively, you have to keep the practice, the habit of thinking positive. Then you will one day realize you have become a positive person. No matter what, nothing negative can touch you. Okay, let's go to the next point. The second point is let go of the past. Very important. If you really want to move on in life, if you already want to be a better version of yourself, you need to let go of the past. Past is past. Those are only memories. And those negative memories will only make you go in round and round and round and will not let you move on. You have to let go of the past. Always ensure you are not going to dwell over the past. You have to move on. Third point, very connected to the second one. You know what? Forgive others, forgive yourself. Yes, it is important to forgive people. Nobody is bad. It is the situation, it is the circumstances, it is the individual insecurities which let us behave in a certain manner. You need to forgive people who had behaved badly with you. I'm not telling you to forget and not learn from that experience so that you can avoid those patterns which impact your relationship and also your work life. I'm just telling you to forgive others and even forgive yourself, because with guilt, you cannot move on. Think about it. Fourth point, help others. Very important. In your worst days or in your best days, whenever you feel bad, sad, depressed, happy, doesn't matter. Get up, get ready, and help somebody in whatever possible way you can. There is no rule, no guideline to help anybody. It is not always helping by money. It can be helping by money, it can be helping by your time, by your energy, by your compassion, helping a friend by just being a good listener, help a poor kid by sponsoring their education, right? Whatever capacity you have, whatever possibility you have, try to help others. And then the happiness and the blissfulness you will get after helping somebody is going to help yourself. For your own sake, help others. For your own individual sake, you have to do that. Last point, but not the least, I feel the most important one, surrender. In this life, we take too much of burden and pressure to carry on our shoulders, that we get completely overburdened. Not required. We all have come in this life, and one day we all will leave this place. It is very important that we surrender to the Almighty, to the God, to the nature, to the superpower, whatever you believe in. Surrender. It's very similar when you board a flight and you just surrender to the pilot that he or she will take you to the place wherever is your destination safely, and you will land safely, and then you enjoy throughout the journey by eating good food, by enjoying your music, or watching your movies, and you relax. Similar way, you have to lead your life by surrendering to the Almighty, that everything would be happy, everything would happen in a perfect way it is supposed to be. With that thought, I leave you here, and I wish you again a very, very happy new year with all health and prosperity. And as promised, in the next videos, we are going to touch base all these videos individually in a better way, in getting into the details. Meanwhile, take care and enjoy. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.